So here I am, standing outside on the wet, cold grass. You can probably hear the birds, and maybe the light rain is just gently dropping down. It actually stopped for a few minutes, and I thought, this is my moment. And so I came out here barefoot. And wow, friends, you can feel it right away. That cold grass under your feet, it just wakes everything up. It's like your body goes, yo, yay, there you are. And this, my friends, right here, standing in my backyard looking at my garden. But this right here, this is earthing. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just simply stand in your backyard in the rain, barefoot. And you know, there's actually a lot going on right now for your body when you're doing this. For reals. Because when your skin touches the earth, you're absorbing free electrons from the ground. And that actually really makes a difference because it can help reduce inflammation, calm your nervous system, and even bring your body back into balance. Let me tell you, and it feels great. It's like your body resets itself simply by just having your feet on the earth. And friends, I cannot stress enough how you can really feel it. Standing out here, your breath just slows down, your shoulders drop, and your mind, it just gets quiet. It's not just in your head, my friends. It's in your nervous system. You know, lately, I've really been noticing something just about me in my life. But you know, that highest version of myself? She's outside. She's barefoot. She's walking in the forest every day. She's standing in the rain. She's connected. And I know that about myself now. So, I try to come out here every day. And it feels good, even if it's just for a few minutes, because sometimes just being out here, something just shifts everything within you. Have you ever noticed that when you're out in nature, things just don't feel so heavy? Like problems soften, your mind stops racing, your body remembers what calm feels like. Yeah. Friends, this is what it's like right now. It's like when you're walking through the forest, listening to the birds, feeling the ground under your feet. Things aren't so bad. Go stand outside, friends, and you'll see that they're actually kind of beautiful. Have a great night.